Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you want to improve your understanding of global political issues and discuss them confidently in English, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down key terms in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover words for global political issues in English. These terms will help you understand international debates, follow world news, and engage in discussions about global politics. Let's get started. First, let's define global political issues. These are challenges that affect multiple countries, such as climate change, human rights, and international conflicts. Governments, organizations, and world leaders work to find solutions to these issues. Another important term is geopolitics. Geopolitics refers to how geography, economics, and politics influence international relations. It helps explain power struggles between nations. Some of the most debated global issues include climate change, the long-term shift in global temperatures and weather patterns, often linked to human activities. Human rights, the basic rights and freedoms that every person is entitled to, such as freedom of speech and equality. Economic inequality, the gap between the rich and poor within and between countries. For example, the United Nations works to promote human rights around the world. Global politics often involves conflicts and security challenges such as sanctions, economic or political penalties imposed on a country to influence its actions. Terrorism, the use of violence to create fear and achieve political goals. Ceasefire, a temporary agreement to stop fighting in a conflict. For example, the international community imposed sanctions to pressure the government. Many international organizations work to address global issues, including United Nations (UN), an organization that promotes peace, security, and cooperation worldwide. World Health Organization (WHO), a global agency that addresses public health issues. International Monetary Fund (IMF), an institution that supports economic stability and development. For example, the WHO plays a key role in managing global health crises. Some global issues lead to political movements and changes, such as protest, a public demonstration expressing disagreement with government policies. Reform, changes made to improve laws, policies, or institutions. Populism, a political approach that appeals to the concerns of ordinary people. For example, many countries have seen protests demanding political reform. By learning these words for global political issues, you'll be better prepared to understand international affairs, follow political debates, and engage in discussions with confidence. The more you practice, the more natural these terms will feel. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.